previously recorded. So this is my red beans and rice, y'all. Nope, it's that's them little red beans, baby. And that rice. Can I get a thumbnail? And I made some ribs to go with it, y'all. So that's dinner. We're gonna go see what Grandma think. Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiana. I gonna be me, and today what I'm going to be showing y'all how to make is some homemade chicken and rice. Sorry y'all wasn't looking at the camera, but child, I'm over here doing some other stuff. But anyway, some homemade chicken and rice. All right, so what you're gonna need is some chicken, and I'll let you know all your other ingredients as we get to cooking, because y'all know that I'm one of those, you know, just throw it in a pot cookers, right? Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make some chicken and rice. And so first things first, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. I hope you enjoy my channel. Ring the doorbell if you don't mind. What I mean by ring the doorbell is hit the thumbs up, the like button. But y'all, I thank you for coming. I hope you enjoy this video. I also have a second channel. The name of my second channel is Boss Up Cleaning, BOSSUP Cleaning. That's where I put all my cleaning videos, organization, and decorate. So if you like videos like that, I ask that you go over and show that channel some love. So let's go on and get started. Alright y'all, so in my pot I have taken my chicken. I have some legs and thighs, and they is in water. And only thing I am doing is I am boiling my chicken. I have boiled my chicken for about 10 minutes, y'all. And you see all the grease and the white nasty stuff and all of that has come up off the chicken. So what I'm about to do is, I have not added any seasonings to this chicken whatsoever. I have boiled this chicken long enough just to clean it. So now what I'm about to do is take this chicken, dump it over in my sink, and start cleaning it. Getting rid of, you know, all the white stuff on it and all that nastiness and stuff like that off the chicken. Just rinsing it off. Then we're going to start with us a fresh pot of water. Okay, so to my chicken, I have added some water, and I'm going to add just a little bit more water. I'm going to add enough water to pretty much cover my chicken, y'all. Okay, so now I'm going to start seasoning this here up. So I'm going to add, you can add whatever kind of seasonings that you want to add. I'm just adding my seasoning in here. And I'm going to put my lid on. And I'm going to let this start boiling. I'm going to let it boil for at least 20 to 25 minutes before I actually come and do anything else to it. So after 25 minutes, I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so my chicken has been boiling for about 25 minutes. And so now I'm about to check it for its tenderness. Alright, y'all, so got chicken here now. So now I have me 2 cups of rice. You can use some all-purpose rice or parboiled rice, but I mean not all-purpose rice, some just regular long grain white rice or parboiled rice. I have some long grain white rice. I recommend you, if you don't know how to cook rice good, then use some parboiled rice. You cannot mess that rice up. So now I have that rice and enough water to cover that rice. And so now we're about to cook this chicken until the rice gets done. But I'm going to add just a little onion to this and a little parsley just for that color. Now, I'm going to liberally just break the chicken off the bone, just like this. Just breaking it down, leaving bones and everything in there. You ain't got to break it down to fine pieces, but you do just want you some chunks in there. Try not to add too much water. That way you overcook your rice, because you don't want to do that. You just want enough water to cover your rice. Just enough. That's how you make that perfect rice. See how I broke that down? And this is what you want, just like that. So I'm about to add some butter right in now. Okay, so now I'm about to add this butter. And mine is margarine, but butter. And we're just gonna mix that right on in. Just like so. Then I'm going to take my lid and put it on there and cook it for about another 10-15 minutes until the rice is nice and tender. I forgot to mention to turn, once it come back to a boil, turn it down to medium. But I wasn't going to do this, but I can't help it, y'all, because this is how I like to make my chicken and rice. But you don't have to add this next ingredient that I'm about to add. But if you have a small can of cream of chicken, add that right in there, and it gives your chicken and rice a nice creaminess, y'all. So I'm gonna add this whole can of cream of chicken to this chicken and rice. Now that's chicken and rice. We're gonna mix that up. Get everything combined all in there. Yes, boo-boo. Now that's chicken and rice. If you want to make my chicken and rice, put the cream of chicken in there. I just didn't want to do it because, you know, I'm like, somebody probably ain't got it, but I'm like, bump that. You know, if they ain't got it, just, you can, or if you don't like it, you can opt out. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Okay, so this is what I have. Now, if it gets too thick, where you ain't got enough liquid, just add you a little bit more liquid in there to loosen it up. But this is what I got. This should be perfect for the amount of rice that I've added. Okay, so after about 15 minutes, this is what you have. Okay, so this is what you have. And on the top, you're going to notice like it looks like the grease sitting on top. That's not the grease, that's the cream of chicken. So I'm just going to stir that in. And there you have it, Tiana's chicken and rice. I'm gonna top that with a little bit more parsley. And voila, chicken and rice. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed.